Let us walk through how to properly add and manage sub-accounts for your clients inside Go High Level. I'm inside the agency dashboard. That's where you see all the sub-accounts that you have. I already discussed this in the last video as well. So what you simply need to do is click on add a sub-account. Once you click on add a sub-account, you are able to add a new sub-account, fill in all the details of the sub-account, the client, the location, and all of that. And once you hit on save, a sub-account is created for you. That's so simple and easy. Now, after creation, what you do is you jump into the sub-account. What I mean to say is you click on switch to sub-account. So you can do this by clicking on this button, that's switch to sub-account, or you can click on this button and switch on to whatever sub account you want to go to. Once you click on that, you are now in that particular sub account. And to work around that sub account, you can easily go and update the branding, the logo, the company details like you updated for your agency. You can now do the same for that particular sub account. So you can update the business name, the legal business name, the email, the branded domains, the business website, business niche, and all of the information of that particular client. Once I've updated all of those informations, you can easily then go back to my staff and add the users and the respective permissions that you want to give to that client or the different team members of that client. Now, once you have done all of these basic setups, what's really interesting and important is creating your own snapshots with reusable workflows, funnel forms, and campaigns. How do you do that? Is what I'm going to show you now. You can simply go to sites, let's say, and now you want to create a snapshot for this. What I would do is I'll click on this. No, not here. I am somehow, let me find out where do we get snapshots? I do not will I get this in my agency view. So here are the account snapshots. So these are my snapshots. These are some of the imported snapshots that I am using. These are the shared snapshots and these are the snapshot templates. Now, these are the templates that GoHighLevel provides you. So if you are working in the finance industry for an accounting firm, an affiliate marketing agency, or an auto dealer, or an automotive detailing, or a bed and breakfast, bankruptcy, lawyers, bakery, automotive repair, bookkeepers, business coaching. So these are the different industries, and you will find a snapshot for them. What this snapshot means is you simply, let's say you're creating something for a gym owner, and you click on create a sub account. Now, this snapshot is going to be added to the account that you are creating. So we are now into the account creation process. I can search for a gym. Let's say this is my account. I click on this, Anytime Fitness, and now a sub account in this name would be created with the entire gym snapshot. Let's now look at what are the things that are available in this snapshot. I go back to this setup guide. Let's look at this. This is an auto dealer and a sales snapshot. The auto dealer snapshot includes the website template, the sales funnel templates, the claim offer form, email campaign templates, custom automation, sales pipeline templates, social post templates, and digital ad templates. So the moment you use these, you are going to get all of the things that a basic auto dealer or a sales person would be needing. So you just select the snapshot, create a new sub account, and this entire snapshot with all of these things that's mentioned here gets imported into that particular account, and your client is ready to go. You can similarly, the way this snapshot is created, you can create your own custom snapshot and use it for the client. Now imagine the amount of time you are saving on onboarding of a new client. So if you're working for any particular industry, let's say gyms, you have a customized snapshot with all of the information that is required for a gym owner. So from that, something that earlier took you 10 hours to do can now be done in just 10 minutes. You just have to change the client name, the brand logo, and some basic things, and the account is absolutely ready. Now, once that is done and you are ready to go, you go back to agency dashboard and you can monitor the account usage and billing. And if you have a big agency, you can also enable the SaaS mode where you get full control on what accesses to give and what not to give, what amount to charge, what amount to not charge, and so many additional things that you get as a SaaS user. But for now, this is what we have in terms of adding a sub account and managing them. And if you have not yet signed up for the 30 days free trial, find the link in the resources section or ask for the same from me and message me about it, and I'll share with you the 30 days free trial along with a free training program on how to onboard onboard clients and everything about onboarding. Along with that, you get access to a private community that is a premium community along with live weekly coaching calls. So I'll see you inside if you have any further questions.